In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to clone a project in Base44 step by step. Cloning a project is a safe way to experiment without risking your original work. By the end, you'll have a separate copy of your app that you can tweak, test, or hand off to teammates while keeping the source intact. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Base44 workspace at ap.base44.com. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your account so you can access your apps. A quick tip before we begin, make sure you have the proper permissions for the workspace you're using, since cloning is limited to users who can manage the app. Once you're in, look for the apps area. This is where all of your projects live. Click apps to open your list and give it a second to load if you have a lot of items. From here, pick the app you want to duplicate. It helps to double check the name so you're certain you're cloning the right one, because the copy will reflect the current state of this project. Inside the app, head to the dashboard. The dashboard is the central hub for your project and gives you quick access to management options. From the dashboard, go straight to settings. You'll usually find a gear icon or a settings label in the workspace navigation. Within settings, choose App Settings. This section contains the high-level controls for your app, including the ability to create a full copy. Look for the Create Copy option and click it. If a confirmation appears, go ahead and confirm. The cloning process may take a moment depending on the size of your project, so keep the tab open and let Base44 finish the job. When it's done, Base44 will automatically redirect you to the cloned version of your app. You'll notice the name includes the word copy, which makes it easy to tell it apart from the original. Take a quick look around to get oriented. The layout and content should match what you cloned. This new environment is independent from the source, so edits here won't affect the original project. And that's it. You've successfully cloned a project in Base44. Use this copy to prototype new features, try design changes, or prepare for a handoff, all without touching production. If you ever need to repeat the process, just follow these same steps and you'll have a fresh duplicate in minutes.